Man, unlike other podcast interview interactions, I'm going to ask a very phenomenal questions, an unprecedented question to you. So let's get started. Uh, in the past, I asked a lot of questions about celestial body, black holes, supernova, cosmic reality, and there are many more. Right? Can you tell me about little bit black holes? What is black? What are black holes? And do you know about them?
It. When the basically that pole are like the stars in that in mid.
Okay.
What I study about probability that pole are like the stars.
Hmm.
And what's in the top of the stars starting here and it's made from the debris. Debris lines are found that were dust at small particles, which they appear the example that bullets defensively cellular superior but an no.
I should stop you, man. You are just wasting my time and your time. You need to understand black holes, stars. Are you sure? What the heck are you saying? I think I not understand your point, man. Black holes are stars, so maybe I need to find out. Okay, let it be. Maybe you're right. Okay, let's go to another question. Do you know about starry night? There are a lot of stars in the sky. Do you like to look at the stars? If yes, why? If no, why not?
But they love me and I love the Lord's ransoms. In the night, maybe whenever I want stars, so I in a way function it felt it wrong. It's really very tiny from the earth, but when we sleep, it's very very big.
But I doubt where do you see them, because you only see from here, right? And from the picture or visuals, like in the video. So where do you see them, like exactly in the real shape? In the real shape?
This can go into stars and be similarly. Whenever I have started to want to star like this,